In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Mafia II Definitive Edition. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right-click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Navigate to Documents, My Games, Mafia II Definitive Edition, Saves, Random Number, and this is your game progress. Before dropping this 100% save, backup your game progress. Create a new folder and drag and drop these files inside. And now drag and drop this 100% save files inside this location and launch the game. Go to the story, load chapter, and choose the chapter you like to play. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.